Alright, this is the first attempt at using these things. Got a couple of things going on I want to get finished. We are gonna mount this light bar up there, and I don't feel like drilling into nice metal. That's nice right in the water. So made a bracket. Good thing I left the bracket at home, but I was gonna end up welding these pieces to the bracket and just using the factory bolt holes that are right here to do it all. The light bar came with some nice wiring, I guess for a truck or whatever. Nice switch, so we'll save all that. Relays and fuses, kind of nice. Not bad for 30 bucks on Amazon, but going to wire it into the factory lighting as well. So I guess we'll see how this goes. So I have these butt connector things, and we're gonna end up capping this side. Why am I putting these in? I don't know, I just want to be extra. We're gonna put these in so that these don't do anything to anybody. And then this side, we will rig this up, make it look nice and pretty, and put these on there so it just plugs and plays, and if I wanted to take it off, I can. Got that put in, heat this up. It has been unseasonably cold here in Maryland recently, so when I purchased this, my old Caterpillar came with a pusher box, and so I kept it, never knowing if I would even use it. And I don't do this work a whole lot, but it is nice to have it on the side, maybe make a little bit of extra money here and there should we get a blizzard. We're calling for 6 to 8 inches this weekend, and then possibly more on Wednesday. Shop dog penny. This heat shrink is not shrinking. It's probably one of the most annoying sounds. You guys can probably hear through audio. Back a little bit. Normally I like to use heat shrink connectors. Don't seem to find any, which is why we're just going to use these crimps and then tape them up. Let's see, white is male, blue, red. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll see if that works. Shove this end through there. I think I go one at a time. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's damn my bar. Should have cut that one a little bit longer, I guess. Not a fan of that, how that looks. I'll tape it up, make sure it doesn't jiggle jangle. See if it works. Alright, moment of truth. Still learning this thing, so. Lights. Contact. I take that as a... Oh, there we go. There we go. Wired up, finished up. Tape those up, tape that up, push it in. Hit back home, get the bracket. What was in there, you might ask? It was 2 halogens. So, Dad wrote needs an H3 bulb on there. Alright. Take this bad boy up, move on to the next thing. Alright, so I don't think that one took grease. I don't think that one took grease. I gotta inspect these and pop these out. You see that one's not even down and engaged. This one, and I think that one took grease, but those are pretty much the main ones I gotta look at. I'm not sure what Takeuchi was thinking about when they did this, because it just seems like a really poor design with how much it rubs on just about everything. So I might have to look into if that's the actual way that they are supposed to mount that, or if this one just got repaired and not put back in the proper way. Seems to be like... So, electric grease gun with all these. I don't know how you would do it if you didn't have an electric grease gun. That's nice. That's gonna be delightful. I had a one of those Gorilla grips where you lock and lube pretty much. And I ended up giving that grease gun to my dad and getting myself a new grease gun. And so I just have the standard fitting on there now. I gotta get another one of those lock and lubes. They're pretty nice if you guys haven't used them. Screwdriver. Can't see where the... I'll tell you what, that's almost like jelly. That's some thick stuff right there. Like I said, it's cold. It's been in the 30s, and then starting Wednesday, gonna get down as a high of like 15. It's always the last one you pick. 10 millimeter. I'm hoping. But I have this. I have this kit I got from Tractor Supply. Oh yeah, it looks big. Boop. I have this one. Looking like I do. Let's salt. Looking like it. Alright. Calling it a day. Gonna get home. What did we do? For some reason, these top two are not taking grease. Freed up that bottom one, changed out the fittings, cleaned out the whole area. They're taking grease. Everything is done on this. Next time we come down, we're gonna look at that control lever. I was gonna order a shock for this thing. You can lift the cab up, but you definitely need 2 people for it. I gotta polish these wheels. You can see a little test spot that I did. It's not the best, but for a hand polish, it's fine. I machine polished my other dually wheels, and I'm not doing that again. These are Welds 19.5s, and then I got some new Continental 225 70s or 75s. These are going on a 3rd gen Cummins. Got the tires for like $400. All right, we're back. So here's what we got going on. You guys saw the light bar in the last little tidbit. Got my mounting hardware. Forgot my other bolt at home, so that one's that. It's gonna go up there. Got to figure out what I'm gonna do with that wire. I just tacked this into place. I'm gonna take this bracket off now because I didn't want it getting, like my organization, it's perfectly organized. Didn't want to get it crooked. 3/4 from the bottom, tacked it in place on each side. We'll take this off now. We'll throw a couple JB welds around it and see what we get. I'm thinking I'm going to probably do the insides. That way you don't see anything. It looks kind of clean from the outside. I don't know how this is going to work with the welding shield. Let's see. I wasn't too precise with my drilling, which is why it looks like that. But let's see if you guys can see anything. I ain't gonna win no beauty contest, but it doesn't have to. Oof, that for sure I win in a beauty contest. I thought it would be a smart idea to paint this before. I'm thinking otherwise now. I guess I'll hit it with the flat wheel. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. And that's why you don't use spray paint. Shit just came right off. I might try to find a wire wheel or something for this. Then again, send it. As I said, we ain't going for looks. Otherwise, this would have been powder coated. Price probably might as well be right now. How much heat these things put off. But I did have this. I don't know, when I bought my house, it was in it. It was pretty nice. And then Dad's got a bunch of this flat black paint. Not sure what I'm going to use. I don't think I'm going to have enough. Semi-gloss, semi-gloss. Impatient? Yeah, I'd say so. Pretty much the light bar is covering this entire thing up, so at this point it's only meant to not make it rust. Alright, so that's drying. Not much to do around here. Guess we could put the headlights in this thing. John Deere. Man, John Deere parts are crazy. They wanted like $100 and some per housing with a light bulb at some point. I guess this was a municipal owned thing or something or other, but they put LEDs because the halogens, I guess, didn't do much. So, but to do that, they absolutely annihilated the shroud. So, I put this heinous light bulb in. Never really ran LED lights, but light output I think is going to be a little bit different. You could have done that from the beginning, and it is nowhere close to bright enough, but it's the right thing, so we're gonna roll with it. Stickers off and call it a day. Alright, so for the time being, on this water snake behind there, I'll put this washer here, this bolt here, until I get my other bolt. We're going after that OEM Plus look. And this is just going to hold it up there like that. That'll be there. That'll plug in somewhere up top there like that. And there you go. OEM Plus. Minus the fingerprints. Alright, there you go, something like that. Kind of looks good, you can't even see the bracket. Didn't have to drill into the cab for anything. I believe the bottom is flood and the top is spot. And that's why I mounted it that way. So that, because when you're working, you want it to be wide, light, and then towards the top and see out past, you want it to be spotted. At least that's what I tell myself. Alright, that's done. Wad up the trailer next time I come down, and that's it. Should be ready to make some money. I need a door. If anybody's got a door, let me know. I'm interested. They're expensive.